I'ma head out then.
How you been, man?
I've been doing good. I got a lot more done since last time.
Yeah, I bet you did something different, didn't you? Oh man, yeah, you did, didn't you?
Turned it up just a little bit more.
Okay.
Fucking, how you ducking?
Back here?
Yeah, it's the last time we heard it.
This is the last time, yep.
We did a wood roof.
You put this up here, then? Was this the first time?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, we sent down for sound, adjusted, so we can adjust.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube
YouTube page, all right? You hear me? I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.